In this video, I'll teach you how to make a passport appointment at a passport agency or center on the US Department of State's website. This video will be extremely helpful for anyone that has just completed Form DS-11 and you're looking to take the next step in the process. As you know, after completing Form DS-11, the next step is to make an appointment at a passport acceptance facility, agency, or center so that they can review your application and then send it off to the US Department of State. Be sure to give this video a like so that YouTube will push it out to anyone looking for content just like this. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Once you've made your way over to Google, you are going to type in passport appointment and then click enter. Then you are going to look for the link that is associated with the US Department of State, and you're going to click on that. Once the page loads, you are going to head down to the header that reads steps to make an appointment for urgent travel. And you are going to click on I have not yet applied, and the menu is going to uncollapse. And you are going to click on the link that says online passport appointment system. And you're going to click on that. Then it will read urgent travel, need a passport quickly. You'll scroll down to this section where it's asking some questions. Now I want you to pay attention to this section where it says you agree to pay an additional $60 expedited fee. I spoke about that fee in previous videos, so I'll link to that in case you are a little confused by that. But you will have to pay $60 if you are making an appointment at a passport agency or center, because they only deal with urgent travel. All right, so we're going to indicate I want to make an appointment at a passport agency, and there's only one appointment per household that is allowed. And you can also read the other options here. So then we are going to answer a few more questions. Do you have international travel plans? Yes. We're going to say that our plans are about a week from now. Do you need a visa? No. And how many people are traveling in your house that need a passport? Just one. Click next. And then it's going to ask us here for our email address. So I'm going to put that in and then click submit. And then it's going to send a code for me to verify my email address. So give me one moment while I verify that now. And then click submit. And then it will ask for a code to be sent to your phone number. But because I already played around with this, my number was already in there. So I'm going to look at my phone to get that code. And once you have the code, you are going to click the next arrow. And now they have verified my identity. So now what you can do is you can search for a zip code that you are near to or nearby to find a appointment for your passport. And click search. And right away, we can see that at the Boston agency that there's no appointments available. No appointments here at this one in Connecticut, but there are some at this location in New Hampshire. So if I click on select, I can see here that there are a lot of appointments, and most of them are before the date of the 26th when we need to travel. So that's pretty good. And you can also see that they only let you see appointments for a week out. We see here that when we click on AM that there's a lot. So we're going to go with an early morning appointment, but not too early. And we're going to click next. And then it's going to ask for your name. So you need to pay attention to this. So it says enter the first 3 letters of your last name. If your last name has only 2 letters, use X for the 3rd character. So our example is John America. Enter the first 3 letters of your city of birth without spaces or periods. And we said that he was born in New York. That phone number that has already been verified already pre-populates. And then you are going to create a PIN, a 4-digit PIN that is, and then you're going to enter it again to confirm it. Then you can answer this question. You'll be receiving a reminder call before your appointment. Would you like to receive a reminder email? Let's click no, but you could also click yes if you wanted to, and then click next. And then it says just one more step. Your tentative reservation will be held for 14 minutes and whatever seconds, so you may complete the online registration. You're almost done. Check your email for a verification code. So again, let me check my email so that I can get that verification code. So once you have that verification code, you can paste it in and you can review all of the details here are correct. And then they also have a hyperlink of what you need to bring to your appointment. So I've already done a video explaining the entire passport process, so you can definitely check that out if you want to know exactly what you need to bring. But if you're, again, on this page, it'll also tell you what you should bring to your appointment. And then when you are ready to confirm your appointment, you just click confirm. And you have that great message that says your appointment has been confirmed and you are good to go with your passport appointment at a passport agency or a facility. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. It'll really help YouTube push it out to others that are looking for content just like this. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll do my best to answer as many of them as possible. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!